Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a swing button left effect in CapCut PC using animation effect. So first you can add your photos or images that you like to edit, and for example I'm going to select some images to the right, and yeah, there are 5 images, and for the first clip, for the first, third, and the last clip, I'm just going to add the same animation. Select animation in animation and select swing pattern left, and adjust for the duration, just full duration, which is the second, because previously I set the image duration and 2 seconds or 1 click. Alright, the third swing button, swing button left again, full duration, the last swing button left, full duration, and for the second and forward, I'm going to select the swing button right, full duration. You can see for the final result like this. Yeah. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.